y'all from the A, comment down where we at. Yeah, we back out. Same fit. Shit costs more than you. More than you. So you come out. This nigga just punched my arm talking about some goddamn punch buggy, chat.
I'm being out of retirement on the app speak 5 shit, man. You know what the fuck going on, man? Ed Capone got in that bitch last night. He tripping.
No bass, double I bet, man.
Hey, you know what the fuck going on out here top, bitch? Don't get hit on that fed out playing on that ground, bitch.
Yeah, I'm tryna make it off the block. They told me you get lonely when you pop, but I've been lonely all my life. Guess I was made for the top. Been grinding all my life and it ain't never gonna stop. Niggas plotting for my life and they forever gonna plot.
We out chill, man. Pulled up to the CVS. Phone them need some goddamn. What's it called? Some NyQuil and something else. I ain't trying to get sick. I need something to drink. That right there, that's what I need.
CVS off in Atlanta. Put me on that plan.
Cold drinks.
I'm in CVS off in Atlanta.
You gotta get it right. Phone him a character on God. I be trying to tell him he gotta do this YouTube shit. Water is expensive. They got every water. I ain't know. I ain't no Deer Park was snapping like that, chat.
In the wild, and for surviving the hard work. By the
He like, oh dog, I'm a cane that nigga. Like a gun range ass.
Nah, he definitely turned up on that shit. Grits and eggs, chat. For my Atlanta natives. What was the other shit he said? Like breakfast on Linux or some shit.
Yeah. That shit foggy as hell.
He said foggy as hell.
Don't it like this shit?
Right, it feel like a movie.
No, bad. It is, nigga. Life a movie. I told her don't play stupid, like just play a role.
Like, it's overly fall feeling like this bitch. Like go to the video, it does not feel like that. That's all year.
Oh!
What's wrong with my phone?
It's right here. It's the same shit. Southern Steakhouse food.
Either one y'all can get to know or y'all can
Put my baby on the camera, man. That's big. She's sexy.
So what y'all want to do?
So grits and eggs, sit down.
You want to take it to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't sitting in this no tourists like that.
Boy, somebody. You're supposed to be standing on assistant to get there.
Shut your egg glass up.
y'all go to the end of the bar.
They keep shifting us to new people.
Like, go to this person, go to that checkpoint. Go to this checkpoint.
The leak is crazy, Chad.
Oh!
The leak is crazy. Some real, I guess this the Atlantean native spot, you know what I mean? Grits and eggs. You're not VIP like me. You know me, I'm simple. I might go with that right there. September. The dog riz is crazy. She said, what the hell? She bad. Let me get the camera away so he can cook up. Tell him cook.
ISO. I had to call the play. ISO.
I had to call the play. I had to call the play chat. ISO.
I need a superstar. I need a supermodel to match this out of mine. So I get this morning. We will get back tomorrow. You know that I like it when I can go beyond anymore.
was easy. In a motherfucking crocodile dance. Want to get inside the door, bitch, best kick it open.
Tell me something. Tell me what you know about feelings that don't show. She was never safe in the system. We broke hoes, but not a broke hole.
How would I send out envelopes? My own niggas envy.
He said it's out of kinky dog.
Been running with this semi.
Take a picture of that. Abracadabra.
Oh man, this shit too real.
Diddy, nigga.
The fuck with Peter shit a magic trick. You got tap in with me, man. This shit a magic trick, man. This ain't Abracadabra. Fuck nigga free slime.
Oh man, that shit that's crazy. This bitch really gotta get some of Abracadabra. You ain't programmed that shit, bro.
That shit fucking me up.
Man, this shit too real.
You ain't program that shit. Nigga. You too lame to program some trim ass shit like that. You not even like souped up enough to even think of no fly shit like that.
I'm parking at.
Oh, go up on her. Fuck that.
He said park next to her.
Oh, that done bucked down on the cover thing.
Oh,
How you doing, beautiful?
oh my God.
Man? Wait, slow down.
You gonna fall out now?
He got that there.
Hey, look at this. Makes one right. What's wrong with you, man? I've been working out, bitch. I've been in the gym.
I didn't see that, bro.
Hang it off. Fuck off. It's fat ass. Yeah, feet fat as a bit. Lean, beer belly ass Peter. Hey, okay.
Anything got motor and wheels out of stove. That fuck it.
Be smooth with that bitch.
Yeah, that type of shit that be on down here.
Oh shit, we on the next floor. Trail us out.
Oh, this is a
Big
bigger
money
too.
motherfucker, man. What the fuck? This 3 rows. I thought this was a little bit.
But they stole my whole idea. I'm trying to do this whole shit. I got bullshit called real cold nigga.
No flavor. No. I said, what flavor you gonna grab? He said the bitch is 30. 30 what? 30 what? No flavor. Bitch, I'm gonna be thirsty. You hear it though, Chad? Atlanta with it. I'm running out of stores like a bad YouTuber, but I'm learning. I'm getting right. On the fly. I know I done wore this outfit 100 times. I ain't rich yet. I don't wear it. We both done wore this outfit 100 times, bro. Bro, you look like that damn action figure that you keep turning yourself to.
I've been like that.
I need a haircut, bro. Point me to the nearest Atlanta barbershop, please. You ain't got no money for that? Shit, me. Who don't? Point me to the barbershop. I bet I get a haircut. Nigga go apply his camera, whatever. Put me to the day. Yeah, nigga, I get the chat. But nah, this one of the dopest smoke shops I done been to. Exotic. Shit crazy. Nah, this shit decent though, chat.
One that will make all the money.
I was just gonna say to him, he said it's not a strip club, son.
Yeah, you're right.
That bitch make all the money. He got the hood.
You got to remember to it. This probably got. Yeah, for shit though.
So all this catch all the extra in the back end.
I'm getting used to holding this shit so I can catch myself and the surrounding areas.
Duh.
Zap, zap.
Head top. You gotta know that for sure. Twin said this shit here ain't a joke. They ain't even.
We got the Tessie, BMW. What up? That shit hard. Yeah, nigga power this shit up. Shit sound like a spaceship. We almost there, chat.
Stand outside in the 8. What's going on? Put that shit on cameras out. Get me on that bit, man. They got me standing outside, Southern Kitchen. That's why I came out there. I can't even
They gotta bring the menus outside.
Oh no, this overly busting, twin. It's overly busting. They gotta send us in 2 at a time. Twin working the dough.
Thank you.
That from the T to the A, put respect on it. I already looked at what I want for real though. I'm getting macaroni and cheese. I'm getting some whole southern type shit.
Some nice southern life food, man. I mean, soul food. It is overly busting in that bit though. I'll hit y'all once we get let in. I just want to try a side of the mac and cheese, chat. I gotta get my mic. I don't know where my mic at. Dad lost my mic. I need to get 2 of them right quick. I'll be right back, chat. Like the lyrics to a song.
Okay.
I just want to try y'all mac and cheese. Y'all get the side of the mac and cheese.
That's it? 1080. And you gonna wish you tried something else. That's how you don't smoke it though.
We gonna see.
We don't tap, huh? They're cash or card.
I gotta get with the tap program.
Nah, we've been with the tap program. That's why we don't tap.
Smoking punk crash, not this one. Got your bitch like down.
Shit bustin' chat. Decent.
Hey, look. Yeah, I got my blunt up on the dash in the fast lane. Yeah, cause I've been drinking, I've been smoking, nigga. And I got this badge on, don't even know my last name. It's cool, cause I just need it for the moment, nigga. And I just been riding around town trying to maintain. Got money on my money, word up on my shoulder, nigga. And it's in her eye, she mesmerized by the plain Jane. She said she wanna see my life, I'm finna show it, nigga. Cause I've been riding around town, feel like Max Payne. Yeah, cause I've been cruising on the E-way with it. And I felt alive, my surprise when that cash came. I did, cause they like this how I move, nigga. Keep up with no news, nigga. Shit ain't your bait like that, you price, so what you doing with them places that I stay? No, it ain't shit, I keep that tool, nigga. See it on my face, no, I ain't play, know what to do with my brother right or wrong. So he ain't on his own, in these different places, it ain't safe, I gotta keep a chrome. So my mama, I'ma be okay, I make it home. I gotta beat the road and go and pick up all these loads and get them off, you know, I'm trying to make a ticket, trying to get it sold. Feel like I'm King Midas, everything I touch is turn to gold. I can't catch those E's, but got VV, so I just got it froze. That bitch on her knees, just like I sneeze, you know she got a blow. I said money's coming left and right. I didn't mind that side of sight. Magic, I did call and kicking the doors, I'm trying to get it right. I'm going with the pole, but then he froze, I had to take the pipe. Screaming, walking home, and like a palm, my bro was facing. I said, wake up, make shit happen, get them packs, and then I'm gone, man. Oh my God, ain't no relaxing, I need taxing for the zone. And if you need a couple balls, don't even play, just hit my phone. Cause I've been cruising late nights, niggas crossing state lines. Bro said he ain't got no pro, but he don't go here, take mine. I can't wait till the bro home and in the zone. Satellite, see that shit touring in the booth on flowing, so I'm like, little Tuesday, let's get
Oh, you see the big ass Truist building right there too.
yeah, I'm trying to make it, nigga. We don't like a pole, we on the road, we in that spaceship, nigga. And my wrist so frozen, shit too tall, it's far from basic, nigga. This one of the ones I do the vibe to, man. Go ahead, ride, late night. Nice little shit, we catch you, fresh up, all night. Hey, look. Yeah, I got my blood up on the dash in the fast lane. Yeah, cause I've been drinking, I've been smoking, nigga. And I got this badge, I don't even know my last name. It's cool, cause I just need it for the moment, nigga. And I just been riding around town trying to maintain. Got money on my money, word up on my shoulder, nigga.
Put your ID out for the niggas.
Now you wanna see my ID? Why you wanna see one? What do you think, niggas young? me what my spirits needs. He checking every ID individually.
He the youngest one.
Oh God.
True raps, nigga.
King Larry, I said they don't fuck the game up. Pussy niggas steady acting gangster like they changed up. I done been a gangster since a jet, I stayed the same, huh? Nigga talking crazy on the net, I be in flames, huh? Damn, I said they should be ashamed, huh? Nigga running crazy, crashing out just for a name, huh? Now they got like nothing but your name, so who to blame, huh? I might go 100 in this lane, that's what it's made for. Yeah, and I swear that's what I slave for. Just to go and throw 100.